Chief Minister.
CM. You say, on this Mundaka. I want to tell Mundaka.
पण सीएमान सांगा असं हमने मशाले पहिल्यांदा परतून एकदा
तुमचं किती इश्यू
एकदा केलं पहिले नाव सांगा कोण उलटा तुम्ही
काम सांगलं ना
आम्ही मशाले पाहिले
Okay.
तुमचं नाव सांगा
I'm Gandhi Hendricks, General Secretary of our Fair Price Public Society Association of State of Goa. We have had a lot of problems with the government. We have had a lot of problems with the government right from 2018. In 2018, we met our then minister, Mr. Govind Gowde, a man who had a very patient hearing with all his officers. And after that discussion on January 10, 2019, his director, that time, Mrs. Sandhya Kamath, gave us in writing, the words are like this: reply to the representation as approved by the government is as under. What is the assurance approved by the government is as under? That is this. It is submitted that increase of quota of APL rice from 7 kgs will be increased to 15 kgs per month to each card and doorstep delivery of food grains. There are two things here. You increase the quota from 7 kgs to 15 kgs for APL card, and you will bring the grains to my doorstep delivery at government cost. So I don't have to transport from go down to my shop, and my quota will be increased from 7 kgs to 15 kgs. Now this benefits us. That difference of 8 kgs gives us 2 rupees per kg. Till today, 4 years, 18 days, nothing has happened. Doorstep delivery, which we pay so much for transport, nothing has happened till today. Then we had another important problem with the government, saying that the director and we are always fighting. He issues a notice to me, I reply, then he's the judge. Not to have this problem, the government of India has made the Food Security Act, where it is made mandatory for every state to have a state food commission. So my problem, his problem, everybody's problem, we can take it before the commission. This commission is a must. It is mandatory for every, and that time Mr. Govind Gowda gave us in writing that steps are already being taken to constitute the, till today nothing is done. This is the plight. Today we have released month of January food stuff by paying money, 3 rupees, by transporting, labor charges, rent, everything we have been. Now it is enough. Our societies have become non-viable. So we have finally now giving a letter that we are not collecting February quota until all our dues are settled. This is our all Goa members from every corner. Total members, there are 470 fair price shops.
तुम्ही जो फेब्रुवारीचा कोटा घेऊचे ना टिल
That is our decision. But till you settle and let us know what you have paid us and what you are going to pay us.
settle means what exactly?
The last 3 years, how have you paid to us? Just putting 2,500, somebody's account 7,000 every 3 months. That is not the correct way. Anybody must know what you are getting. That is one point. Second point is, most important point is January, which I paid and distributed free.
At this time we paid.
We paid, transported, paid labor charges, and we were told, give free. Okay, I give free, all verbal. Give free. Now, when are you paying me? Maybe we will settle in your February quota. Maybe we will pay you cash.
It will take time.
Maybe it will take time. What is this? Is this the way government is run? We have all reached a level ready to close down the shops, but we can't run like this. That's all our demand. Give us justice.
So तुमका जो cost असा तो म्हणजे transportation.
See, if you go to see in detail, there's a lot of things involved. First is involved cost. Second is involved transport. Then is what labor. Then what about the rent I am for my premises? What about the electricity bill I am paying? What about the machine that you have given me, that payroll? There are so many
Even
items.
the payroll they used to give before, now they have stopped that also.
The roll they gave us free, now they stopped that also.
So agent
And plus, when we were given the POS machines, we were told we have to pay 25,000. When we looked at that small toy, we were not sure this China-made toy will last even for 1 year. So we told the director, that time the director was, what was it? Korjoekar. Mr. Korjoekar was the director. He brought the small machines and he showed us and he says, you all have to pay for these 25,000. We told him this toy, we don't know whether it will work or not work, but the toy has worked. So he said, okay, I will do like this. I will charge you all rent. So we agreed rent, you collect your 25,000. Today he has paid more than 3 lakhs. I have paid more than 1.5 lakh. They deduct according to the quantity of food grain you distribute. So how much do you want to cheat us? How much do you want to
Per month,
squeeze us?
4,000 I am paying for the rent.
How much do you want to squeeze us? That is our everybody's problem.
ओके ते आता तुम्ही आता कितले टोटल कितले फेअर प्राइस होणार
470 total.
all are with you. They are
We
all
are
are
all united. There are a few who get frightened of the inspector, get frightened that the director will issue show cause notice, but you can't help it.
So
If somebody is afraid, what can I do?
maximum are supporting you.
Pardon?
Maximum are supporting.
Maximum, we are maximum united.
आईच्या
Even
परत
if this is united, you can say that.
Earlier they used to give us 2 days, 20th and 21st offline, which they stopped
Yeah.
last 2 months.
There was a time where we could give quota to some old man, some sick family who could not come because he's working and all. Servant used to come and neighbors used to come. We used to release. Now that also has been stopped. Saying no, only party has to come. Now they have made again still worse, saying anybody who doesn't collect ration within 3 months or 4 months, his card will be suspended. You must remember that 30% of Goa's population is on ration card. That is roughly 5 lakhs plus. With this background, how can the government treat us so badly? This is our struggle today.
So तुम्ही total
is not fulfilled on the till of Feb. All the fair shop will be shut down.
That we have decided. We are also giving a written petition tomorrow morning. We are not lifting the February quota unless we
Till
settle.
today we are all
We are
taken
not
granted.
giving in writing anything. That is
Granted.
next.
Till
That
today
is
we are
worse.
granted. Till today.
ओके थँक्यू
हां सांग
Network problem at Sange area.
हां
आणि POS machine चालू चालवणं आपण आम्ही उलेदा.
सांग
This is our former president of Murmu
मागचं फाट चल मागचं फाट
municipality as well as association, Mr.
Yeah.
Raman Naik. Honavarkar. And he has got 43 years running fair price shop. Now we'll explain to you.
आता ह्या पळोवपाक गेल्यार आमचे सोसायटी आता गव्हर्मेंटान बंद तरी करचे नाजाल्यार आमकां अशें करपाचें न्हू. आतां पळय 12 किलो तांदूळ आसलेले हाडून 6 किलो केले, 8 किलो गहू केले, 12 किलो तांदूळ 8 किलो गहू, 8 किलो गहू आणि 8 किलो तांदूळ केले. म्हणजे आमी जगप कशें ह्या गव्हर्मेंटान जर कळना तेंच्यांनी बंद करपाचें. आमी तुमचे कडेन जायना म्हणून सरकार चलोवपाक जायना त्या खातीर आतां आमचे मशीन हाडले 25,000 म्हण तेन्ना सांगलेले आमकां. आज तेजे 1.5 लाख कोणाचे 2-2 लाख बी जाल्या तरी ते अजून घेता. आमचे पळय कितले म्हण आमकां तुमी खावपाचें. इतले खावं नाकात आमकां मातशें जगोनी इतलें हांव सांगपाक सोदतां. तेन्ना हांव आनी चड उलयना कित्याक काय म्हटल्यार सगळें तुमी आयकलां. तुमी सगळ्यांनी आयकलें आहा, पत्रकारान सगळ्यांनी आयकलें आहा. तेन्ना आमकां कितें तरी सोल्युशन काडून बेगी आमचे सोसायटी परत सुरू करचें.
What minister had given assurance? People had met minister Ravi Naik.
We met Ravi Naik, we gave him in writing petition, and he said, I'll look into it. Looking into it.
बरें बरें हें आसा तें आसा बरें बरें सर
म्हजें नांव सज्जनानंद सावंत आसा हांव फेरपाय शॉप ओनर सांगे हांव कोऑर्डिनेटर ऑफ सांगे कोऑपरेटीव एंड फेरपाय शॉप ओनर कोऑपरेटीव सोसायटीचो हांव कोऑर्डिनेटर आसा. आमकां इश्यू आसा नेटवर्काचो. आमच्या रिमोट एरियेक चडश्यो सोसायटी रिमोट एरियेक आसा. तितूंत भितर एकूच सोसायटी आमचे तेणे विदावट मशीन म्हळ्यार तांकां हें दिल्लें आसा ऑफलायन दिल्लें आसा नाल्यार सगळें ऑनलायन आसा. प्रत्येक वेळार हांवें कितले फावट लेटर केलें आनी जेंचो तो POS मशीन चॅक करपाक येता तेणें वचून सर्वे करून रिपोर्ट दिल्लो आसा आमचे कितलेशा सोसायटीक तांकां नेटवर्क मेळना म्हणून. सरकार तुमच्या दारी म्हणून तेन्ना मिनिस्टर आनी डायरेक्टर आमचे सांग्यार आयलो. आमी हो इश्यू तेंचे फुड्यान मांडलो. तेणें म्हणलें आपणें सर्वे करून पळयला. ताका डायरेक्ट टोनार सांगलें सर तुमी ऑफिसांत बसून सर्वे केल्या आमी फिल्डारसान येयल्या तुमी आमच्या इन्स्पेक्टराक विचार इन्स्पेक्टरान सर्वे केल्ले आसा आमकां नेटवर्क मेळना म्हणून आनी तुमी सांगता आमी सर्वे केल्या म्हणून. तुमी कोणाक धाडून सर्वे केल्या ना आमी जे नेटवर्काचे हें आसा तेंचे कडल्यान सर्वे केले म्हणटात. आमी म्हणलें तांकां सारकी ना म्हणून. आमकां खूब सोसायटीक असो प्रॉब्लेम जाता नेटवर्काचो. चडशे सोसायटी आमच्या रिमोट एरियांक भितर आसा. आनी पयलीं आमकां कितें करताले एक घरांत दोग जाण जर जाणटी जाण आसात आनी एकटो तेंचो भुरगो आसा 3 जाण आसात जाल्यार तांकां त्या दोगांय जाणट्यांचे थंब लागना. तो भुरगो पणजे नाल्यार म्हापसा खंय तरी कामां आसता. ताका ऑन द वे थंय येवन रेशन व्हरपाक शकना. त्या जाणट्याक दोगांलो स्तंभ लागना म्हणून तांकां रेशन मेळना. आमकां वायट दिसता ती दोगूय जाण रेशना वंचीत उरता म्हणून आमकां वायट दिसता पूण आमी कांय करूं शकना. आमकां पयलीं 1 दीस दिताले नाल्यार 2 दीस दिताले फ्री करपाक आमची थंबलान तांकां आमी दिवंक शकताले. जेन्ना आतां म्हाका सोसायटी आसा कर्नाटका बाउंड्रीच्यान बसून आमचे थंय रेशन व्हरपाक येता. ते रेशन व्हरपाक त्या दीस नेटवर्क ना. हे मनशाक 30-40 किलोमिटराच्यान थंय येता. आमकांय बरें दिसता आमकां खूब वायट दिसता. आमी तांकां रेशन दिवपाक शकनात. जर ऑफलायन आमकां जर दिल्ली जाल्यार येयले ते दीस आमी तांकां रेशन दिवपाक शकता. ऑफलायन आसतना आमी थंब मारूंक शकताले. हे बसून तेणें आमकां हें केल्लें डेन आसा. तिसरें अशें आसा आतां सगळें बोवाळ जाल्लें डेन आसा. ते खंयचे कडेन आतां लोकांक उस्तयतात. आतां आमच्या सावड्डे सारकें चार फेरपाय शॉप आसा. कोणा 400, 300, 500, 600 अशें रेशन कार्ड आसा. त्या जाग्यार 4-5 लोकांक ते उस्कयतात तूं सोसायटी थंय तयार कर. त्यो थंयची तेंची कट ऑफ करून आनी एक थंय तयार जाता. ताका खबर आसना सोसायटी म्हणटा भरपूर कितें मेळटा सोसायटी कार्ड न्ही खूब कितें तरी बरें मेळटा तो थंय धांवता. पूण जेन्ना ओपन करता ताका कळना हितून कांय ना म्हणून. अशें लोकांक हुसकून तुमी फेरपाय शॉप घेयात हांगा शॉप घेयात तशें करतात. हें बी जावचें न्हू असो आमगे एक डिमांड आसा. लायक थंय वेगळे वेगळे नवे ओपन करचे असो डिमांड आसा.
ते सोसायटी बरे भशेन चलोवपाक तेणी हातभार लायता सरकारान अशें मागता आमी तेंचे कडेन.
ओके केन्ना फाटी
थँक्यू ऑल
येस म्हजे रातचे सारकें रावतो. ए राकेश पिक्चर केन्ना फाटी
अरे मुझे पूरी ये किसने डाला था ये टाइमिंग
राकेश केन्ना फाटी ए औषध राव खंय वयर तोंड दिसतलें रे फोटो काडटा पयले फावटी लागले बॅनर वयर धरपा वाटतो. ए सकयल धर फोटो ओके डन.